welcome back to my channel. It's Krisey, and today I'm doing another expired look. So if you want to see more looks like this, make sure you keep watching. But I did something different today with my lighting. I actually have the flash on my phone, and my ring light is like on the highest brightness. So hopefully I can see the difference, because I could see it a little bit when I was recording. But I will be linking the girl's picture up on the screen somewhere, and I'll be leaving her name in the description box below. So if you want to see more looks like this, make sure you like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, period. The first step is to go in with a light blue shadow, almost turquoise, and pack it on with a fluffy brush. Right here I'm using the Wet n Wild small fluffy brush, and I'm just going to pack the color on and blend it out. Going back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I use that sky blue, almost, I'm not sure if it's the shimmery shade because I don't have the palette in front of me, but I'm going to take that shade and go on top of the darker blue and blend it out. Now I'm going in with a BH Cosmetics pencil brush, and I'm taking that purple shade out of the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to pack it on and blend it out. And I chose a taper brush because I was in the front of my eye and I didn't want it to smoke out too much. Going in with a lighter purple, I'm just going to use that as a transition shade to lighten up the edges of the dark purple that I used. Basically the same thing that I did with the blue. Going in with a Wet n Wild concealer brush, I'm going to be taking a lighter shade of concealer and just cut the crease. Going in with a random brush, I'm going to pat over the cut crease, and all this is doing is patting down the extra concealer that was left over and just basically matting it out. And then I'm going to go in with a small shadow brush and go in with the pink shade from the same palette, and I'm just going to apply this to the first part of the lid that I cut. I'm going to repeat the same thing that I did with the pink shadow and just use a different shadow brush and go in with the orange from the same palette, and I'm just going to pack that in the middle and make sure to get a good transition between the pink and the orange. I'm going in with another small shadow brush, and I picked up the yellow shade out of the crayon box palette, and I'm just going to pat that on and make sure to blend it out with the orange that's in front of it. All I'm doing now is going over the cut crease to make it deeper and more defined. I'm taking a little bit of black in the same blue and just tracing the outside of it. I'm basically doing the same thing with the purple and just deepening the inner part of the crease to make a look. I applied my eyeliner off camera, and all I'm doing now is taking some concealer and cleaning up the edge of my shadow and liner. After cleaning up the top of my brows, I'm going in with the shade Fawn from LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I just apply that to all the places that I will want highlighted on my face, and I'm just going to blend it out with the Real Technique Diamond Beauty Blender. Going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation, I'm going to pack it all over the face and do patting motions to blend it in. Do not swipe, because sometimes when you swipe it will leave streaks, and you don't want that. You want your foundation to be as smooth as possible. The next thing I did was apply green eyeliner to my waterline, and I'm going to go under and smoke it out with the blue shadow that I used for the top, and the same as the purple. And this is just to smoke out the bottom of that liner. Okay, y'all, I know y'all probably tired of seeing me do the same nude lip, but I'm telling y'all, this is my favorite. I do this on myself, clients, like, I don't know why I just can't stay away from the nude lip with the gloss. So basically what I'm going to do is take the brown pencil that I always use from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to outline my lips. Okay, y'all, my camera had cut off and I didn't notice, but I did go in with a nude liquid lipstick, and now all I'm doing is going over it with my nude NYX gloss, and this is the Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie, and I'm just going to apply that over the lips to my liking.